When you lack inner peace and you don't know who you are, and you are scared and fearful of facing your own shadow, instead of dealing with your inner conflict, you will project that which is in you to the outside world. And you'll be the one who will be promoting war. You will be the one who will be promoting the notion, divide, conquer, and rule them. If you cannot rule them, subdue them, oppress them, let them submit, let them be under your authority. You're doing that because you lack inner peace. You're doing that because you've got inner conflict. Instead of facing the demon and the demon in you, the shadow in you, you're so scared of coming home to yourself that you need to project it